Hi everyone, this is Jeannie and welcome to my channel. I just thought I'd pop on real quick and say good morning. I hope everybody is doing well. This is a little two-piece sleeveless dress that I got at a thrift store for $1 and I love it. It's a pretty, kind of an aqua, comfortable dress and I wear when I'm at home, when I go shopping, just casual, I wear sundresses and little wedge heels. And I love it with my jewelry. I wanted to share with you the beach. We went to, it's the Atlantic Ocean, and it was just a couple of days ago. Here it is, the end of February, and most of the country is just blanketed in freezing cold, snowy, cold storms and ice and hail and yet our part of the country is beautiful. We were supposed to get a little bit of rain today, but we decided to run over to the beach and have some breakfast and just talk and relax and so yeah, that was our day at the beach, and it was really fun. We ate too much, we laughed too loud, and we had a really good time. So I just wanted to share that with you and let you know that all is well, and I'll be back. And you guys have a great day today. See you soon.